So this is one more type of numerical regarding the resistance or change in resistance. So a cylindrical wire is stretched to increase its length by 10%. Okay, so we are not here doing what the wire is stretched to 3 times or 4 times or whatever, but this is increased by 10%. So obviously the new length increases. For the same reason, calculate the percentage increase in the resistance. So again we can do the same solution as we discussed in the last video, where we found what n is the ratio of new length to the old length. So here we shall try to find the same, and we have a tricky method as well. We shall go for both. So say L is the old length. So new length L dash is equal to previous length plus 10% of the L. So L becomes, this is L 10 over 100, because 10% is equal to what? 10 over 100 into L. So this is giving you what? L plus L over 10, that is 11 L over 10. So new length is 11 upon 10 times of the previous length. So here we get, this can be compared with n into L. So this is giving you what? N equal to 11 over 10. So the part is solved. Now the new resistance is equals to R dash is equal to N square into the previous resistance. So N square is equal to what? 11 over 10 square. R is how much? Not given. So this is R equals to, so R dash is equals to, R dash is equal to 1 to 1 over 100 times of R. So this is the new resistance been calculated. So it's asking about calculate the percentage increase. So this is one way to find the new resistance. Say if it was not 10%, it was 20%. So here we would have written what? 20, then it becoming what? 12. So 10% increases, the factor becoming 11 upon 10. 20% if increases, then the factor becomes 12 upon 10, and so on. So okay, that's done. The new resistance is equal to that, and we have to find the increase in resistance. So obviously this is more than previous value, that is R dash is more than R. So we have an increase in resistance. For percentage increase, we use what? Delta R over R into 100. So percentage increase is given by this, and delta R is what? Final resistance minus previous resistance. So finally is equals to how much? 121 over 100 of R. This is R dash minus R over R into 100. Okay, this delta R equals to this. So this is final resistance minus initial resistance over R into 100. So this is giving you how much? 121 R minus 100 R over R over, this is 100 R into R. Okay, getting this? Taking the LCM, and then we are getting this minus this. This is being multiplied 100 into R. So this is 100 into R. This 100 comes and multiplied with R. So this is becoming 100 R, and this 100 is cancelled by this. Okay, here see R and this R are common in the two terms, and that will be cancelled by this. That is 1 to 1 minus 100 into r over r equals to this r cancel this. So finally the increase, we are finding what? The percentage increase. The percentage increase is equal to 21%. So this is very simple. You have to first find what n. N is going to be very crucial for us. So we shall find n, that is final length to the original length. So this is n equal to 11 over 10. Now new resistance is equal to this much, n square of r, and according to the question we are solving what? The change in increase in resistance, that is delta r over r. This is very important formula for us because this is coming from class 11, that is units and measurement. You should go and have a look on that formula again. So according to this, that is new resistance minus previous resistance over the previous resistance. So this is equal to this, and finally simplifying we get what? 21%. Now see, this is a very tricky method I am going to discuss right now. For the same question, and without doing, I shall calculate, without doing so much of calculation, I shall find the answer quickly. So the new percentage increase is equal to, suppose the initially the length was L, L dash is equal to new length, and L dash is equal to L plus 10%. 10% means 10 over 100 of L, that is, it is becoming what? 11 over 10 of L. So we have to find the change in resistance or new resistance. We simply do what? You do what? That is 11 square. That is going to find, this is change in resistance equal to 11 square minus 10 square. That is going to give you what? The new or new change in resistance, that is 1 to 1 minus 1, that is 21. That is 21. So percentage increase equal to delta r over r into 100 equal to this square into this square, and that much of percent. Simple. So this is becoming 21%. So what we did here, that is, this is very important again, n is given by 11 over 10 because the percentage increase is by 10%. As I told earlier, if the percentage increase by 20%, then this becomes what? 12 over 10 of L. So again n is becoming what? 12 over 10. So in that case, what would have been the increase? What would have been the increase? Square of 12 minus square of 10. Done. Then delta r, percentage increase in delta r equal, very simple, 12 square minus 10 square, that is 14400 equal to 40%. Remember, this is whatever is this in terms of percentage. So this is very, very simple. So whichever is best you can choose. This is very for short time. You have to be very quick, very smart, and as you are. So you have to be very smart for competitive view. This is going to be very important. Not going to the, you can leave this part as well. If you are very much handy, expert in this sort of questions, then you can simply find what? N. So N gives you lot more things. So go and talk to N. You will get so many answers. So if it is 15% or 30%, accordingly the figure changes and the percentage increase or calculation is becoming very, very simple. Okay guys, thank you so much. Wait for the next one. Bye bye.